Hello friends, today I am going to paint blaziken Pokemon. For that I have some round brushes and an black marker. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. I had drawn outline of blaziken Pokemon. I am applying a layer of water on some area with the help of number 5 round brush. I am taking crimson red, spreading it with the help of number 4 round brush. Adding more color. Applying a layer of water on face and hands. Spreading the color with the help of 0.5 round brush. Now let it dry. Applying a layer of water on other areas with the help of number 5 round brush. Applying black color with the help of number 12 round brush. Spreading it with the help of 0.5 round brush. Now applying grey color. Carefully with the help of number 4 round brush. Lemon yellow and turquoise for the. Let it dry. Applying a layer of water on rest of it. Now mixing fresh lemon yellow and white color together. Now let it dry. Now taking yellow color. And orange color. Now let it dry. Finally outline the Pokemon with the help of black marker. Comment me what Pokemon should I draw or paint next. Pokemon painting is ready.